What if I told you you've been paying for AI video tools when you never had to? Today, I'll show you how to create unlimited, professional AI videos completely free with quality that rival premium platforms. No hidden costs, no complicated setup, just a step-by-step system that could save you hundreds of dollars every year. Let's get started.
Welcome once again to the ChristyHub space. I found another interesting app that you can use in creating videos for your content creation. This app is also free. So join me in this video as we dive into this. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel or you have not yet followed us, kindly hit the subscription button. Hit the like to like our videos. Hit the share to share with family and friends. And subscribe or follow for more. So you go to your Play Store and download this app, the dollar app. Once you are done downloading it, you open it, allow it to open. So once it is opened, you sign in with your preferred email address. You click on continue. Confirm your age. Once you confirm your age, the app will open for you. You can allow for the first time. This is the interface of the app. So if you want to create a video with this app, you simply go to AI creation. Apart from creating videos with this app, it can help you with your homework and any other thing you want to ask on the app. You can also use it in chatting, etc. But today we want to see how to create video using the dollar app. So you click on AI creation. So when you click on AI creation, you go to video. Click on video. And create image with this app, and you can also use it to create video. So let's click on video. Like I said you can create image with the app, and you can also create video with the app. But today we want to see how to create video with this app. You click on to create video, you simply tap on video. Then you bring in your reference image. So let's bring in our reference image. Allow her. So I'm using this image. Done. So allow it to upload. So my video image is uploading. Then you choose the duration of the video. The duration of the video is 10 seconds or 5 seconds, but let's leave it in 10 seconds. Let's see model 101 luminosity 1.0. Let's use luminosity 2.0. Our aspect ratio is 9:16 because we are creating a short video. So when you're done, they say you should describe your video. You paste your prompt here. So I already have the prompt. So when you're done pasting your prompt, you just send it. Click on the third icon below your screen, the arrow facing up. Use it to send it and wait for your video to be generated. So let's see what they will create for us. Let's wait for the creation. So our video is ready. Let's play it.
This is pathetic. It's wasting everyone's time.
So that is our video. For you to download this video, you simply click on the download icon below your screen. Click on this download icon to download your video to your device, and it will be downloaded to your device. So it has been saved to our device. Apart from using the dollar app to create videos, you can also use it for your homework, to edit image. You can use it to edit image. You can use it in writing, translate. You can use it to read a file and also read a web page. So this and you can also, like I said, you can use it to chat, especially if you want to chat with them. You can use it. So thank you very much. This is simply how to use the dollar app in creating videos for your content creation. I hope you find this video useful. You can always ask your question in the comment section of this video. See you in our next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and follow for more. If you are watching from other social media platforms, don't forget to follow us. And if you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in our next one. You can also go to our videos on our channel, on our pages, to learn about other apps you can use in creating videos for free for your content. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.
If this tutorial saved you money and helped you create better AI videos, hit like and subscribe. Every week, I share powerful AI tools, automation strategies, and creator workflows to help you work smarter, not spend more. Until next time, keep creating and let AI do the heavy lifting.